Everyone, Polo Pro Scale Models, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're looking at Arma's 148th Hurricane Mark II. So yes, recently I've got the urge to build a few aircraft. I'm partway through Tamiya's P-38. I bought a few more and we'll work our way through the reviews as we go, and hopefully you'll see a few aircraft builds on the channel as we go through. I do miss building aircraft. I've always had an interest in aircraft and I always enjoy building them. I just literally got a bit of a mental block on building them. No idea. Same with bikes. Just can't do bikes. I don't know what it is. So I thought maybe we'll buy a few, buy subjects that I like, and we'll see how they go. So yes, so I thought I'd do a review of this one today. This gets highly regarded as, I think it's probably the best Hurricane kit out there at the minute. So we haven't had a look through it at all, so we're going to delve in the box blind together and see what we've got in there. So quite excited about this one because I'm a big fan of the Hurricane, and yeah, I'm interested to see what a modern day Hurricane kit's going to look like. So let's open the box and let's have a look what's inside. Right then, welcome to the review of the Arma Hobby 148th Hurricane Mark IIB. So, I built a few Hurricanes in the past, primarily the Airfix ones when the 48 scale was released, which was quite a while ago now. Great kit, went together with no problems. This, I believe, is now considered the best Hurricane in 48th. I might be wrong, but it's what I read somewhere. And I thought I'll pick one up and we'll have a look what we've got. Always loved the Hurricane, always thought it was a great looking aircraft. Yeah, they're interesting models to build. So we've got great box art on the front. As the kit says, it contains plastic decals and masks as well, which is always a great bonus to get in the kit. On the back, we've got 3 variants and very nice side profiles. Very nice. Very cool. And on the side, we've just got decals, 3 different versions with masks and just some warnings on the side there as well. So let's open the box and have a look. Quite an unusual box. Side opening with a slide out tray. It could be a lot worse. It could be a horrible, crappy Revel box. So in here we've got 1 bag of plastic. We've got an instruction book and some masks as well. So we'll just pop all that over there. We'll pop the instructions and the masks and the decals, which are there, all together out of the way. And we're going to open a noisy crinkly bag. Apologies. Right, so we'll pop that offending article over there. We've got clear parts. We've got the main wing spars. We've got the fuselage there. Lots of little parts. So let's have a look and see what we got. So we'll start with the wings to start with. So the surface detail is absolutely phenomenal. That is beautiful, and I've had no look in this box whatsoever. That's the first time I've opened this bag, so this is me looking at this for the first time. So we've got some absolutely beautiful recessed detail. I'll tap my camera to get to focus. There we go. So we've got beautiful recessed detail here, and in amongst that is all the raised detail here. Absolutely beautifully done. Stunning. The whole thing has texture everywhere off all those raised rivetheads. That is absolutely stunning. So it's the same on the lower surfaces as well. Beautiful recessed panel lines, beautifully molded, absolutely stunning. And then that raised detail, which is absolutely phenomenal. That's some of the best surface detail I think I've ever seen. That is absolutely stunning. Fantastic. We've got landing gear bays there as well. Inside, we've got some of these structural parts, I'm assuming. I don't know. Hard to say. The molding's really crisp and clean. Like I say, that is absolutely stunning. Beautiful. The only thing I don't like there is the sprue punching into the wings, where they're kind of like wrapped around, which means it'll be a little bit of a pain to clean up. But other than that, that surface detail is absolutely stunning. Beautiful looking model. Very, very, very nice. Right then, we'll start with the other side and we'll grab the main fuselage. So, again, beautiful recessed detail. Very nice. You've got all the fabric kind of lines built in there, because these were primarily built of wood with stretched fabric over the wings and the fuselage, I believe it was. And again, absolutely superb detail. Very crisply molded. Sprue points go on the inside, which is always a good touch. I think it's quite a standard nowadays for most kits, aircraft kits. So once cleaned up, you don't end up with a divot in the top of the fuselage. And again, they've got these round pieces on the inside again. I don't know. Are they the ejector pins? Is that what they are? It looks like it. Quite odd. Also on the sheet, we've got the bottom spine, so we could call it as well. We've got some pylons, 2 different nose cones, loads of other parts, the propeller, which again was wooden on these. Some bombs there as well, molded in halves. Very nice, really nice detail on these radiators there as well. Assume they're radiators. Got nice recessed detail on those as well. And yeah, absolutely beautiful. Very, very fine molding. Really, really nice. If this fits anything even remotely together as good as it looks, it's going to look fantastic. Now, we've got a different... underbelly there. I don't know what that's about. It must be for different variants. We've got the horizontal stabilizers, the elevators, the rudder, wheels molded in half again with the flat spot at the bottom. We've got the cockpit components, exhausts, landing gear struts. Now, we do unfortunately get a bit of flash, like on this piece here at the bottom. It is very, very thin flash that I bet, yeah, I can literally just wipe off with my finger. So yeah, it's gone. There we go. So just very small remnants of flash. The tail wheels there. And again, we've got tyre markings for Dunlop on the tyres, which is a really nice touch. The instrument panel looks good as well. Now, if I have it, would I add in aftermarket to this? I don't know, because it actually looks pretty good. Even that instrument panel looks pretty decent, but I think that's something that can benefit from being replaced. The exhaust don't look the best, so I'd have to have a look around, see what's out there for this. But either way, the moulding at the factory is beautiful. Even tiny little bits. Look at this part here. I'm not sure what it is. Tiniest little piece that even my camera will focus on. And the detail is phenomenal. Absolutely beautiful. So yeah, I've got a few aircraft to review, so hopefully you'll see a few more coming up. I'm building Tamiya's P38 at the minute. In fact, it's here somewhere. Where is it? Can I get it out? This is where we're at with it so far. So I am kind of on that aircraft journey again. So hopefully you'll see a few more aircraft off me over the next few months. Like I say, you should certainly see the P38. But I had to pick a few up. So we've got this. I've got the Mini R P47. I've got the Edward Mighty 8th P51D. And the Zvezda SU25 as well. So I'll do reviews of those as we come along the way as well. But this kit looks absolutely phenomenal. The moulding detail is absolutely beautiful. Not a heavy part count kit. Some of the parts are going to need quite a bit of cleaning because the sprue connection points are very thick. But at least they're secure. They're not broke off or damaged. But yeah, the components look beautiful. The moulding is absolutely stunning. Now, clear parts, as we always say, this can make or break a kit. So we'll have a look at this. And the clear parts are not bad. Not bad at all. Not perfect. Optically, there's a little bit of distortion in there. They're not the most clearest, especially when you go over the top, over the curve. But still very acceptable. Very, very good. Nice and clear. Yeah, they look really good. So yeah, clear part is always good to see. Hey, see or see through. So yeah, nice, really nice clear part there, which is always an important thing. So yeah, very, very nice. Gonna pop those back in the bag. So as we said on the kit box, it does get a mask set, which is here. So it is pre-cut. And it's quite a comprehensive mask set. If you can see it, there you go. We've got wheels as well, which is good. So yeah, always nice to get that in the kit. Then we've got decals, which are Tech Mod, which I've used before. They've always been okay. We've got some roundels, whether you choose to use these or spray your own. Got the IP ones there as well. All the stencils, the belt should you wish to use it. The ID markings, and a nice bit of kind of nose art there of a screaming bird of some description. Can't quite tell what that is. But the decals look good. They're not overly thick. Yeah, the decals look alright. And again, whether you're going to add aftermarket to it is up to you. But overall, those decals look really, really good. Very nice. I'll pop that there again. And the instructions. So we'll start off with some info on the aircraft itself. So if you want to read that, as always, you can pause that and have a little read if you want. There we go. We've got the parts out, just the 3 sprues, the clears, the masking, and the decals. Colour callouts in Hataka, AK Real Colours, Mission Models, Ammo, Humbrol, Vallejo, and Tamiya. So a lot of coverage there on them, and all the legends are down the bottom of what not to do or do on the kit. And then we've got some info on drilling holes in the wings for the auxiliary tanks and the bombs. So that's good. And we start off with the landing gear. So landing gear gets assembled first, then the seat armor plate, landing gear going in, more holes to drill, so on and so forth. The instructions remind me very much of Special Hobby. They're very reminiscent of Special Hobby instructions. Nice and clear, well drawn. Parts labelled up with different colours. Yeah, I think you have to concentrate to make sure you get everything in the right place, but overall the instructions are quite clear. We've got a yoke there as well. Again, fitting all this in. So this is all going to fit in, and then you're going to put the fuselage halves over the top. Yep, so all your cockpit goes in there like so. There's your instrument panel going in there. Interior green. Closed canopy, you need to remove these rails. So if you're getting it closed, you need to remember to do that as well. The instructions though look good. They're not too bad. They're quite clear actually, but they are very reminiscent of Special Hobby. And getting the tail section on, the rudder, elevators, wheels going together, different landing gear rear wheels, there's struts for the gear, landing gear, gun sight going in place, prop going in, different nose cones like I said. Get 2 canopies, one for open, one for closed. That's quite nice. And then the drop tanks, are they? Or auxiliary? Yeah, they are drop tanks. And the bombs as well. Loadout markings, not a huge amount, but you get to choose which and what you put where. And then the decal markings and the camo schemes on there. So you've got a black, is it a knife fighter? It must be. And your stereotypical 2-tone camo pattern there as well. And then there should be a third one on the back page, which is your normal kind of pattern as well of the green and brown. So very good. It looks like a good kit. The parts are beautifully molded, and if it goes together, like I say, even remotely how it looks, this should be a really nice kit to build. So there we go. There's Arma Hobbies 148 Hurricane Mark II. Let's go back to me some final thoughts. And there we go. So what can we say about that? I think that's a damn nice looking kit, to be honest. The surface detail, absolutely phenomenal. As I said through the review, that panel lining and the raised surface area detail, absolutely stunning, flawless, absolutely flawless. Nice cockpit. If this goes together half as good as it looks, this is going to be a really nice kit to build. So interesting to see. 3 completely different schemes in the box as well, which is really nice to see. And overall, I think we might be on to a bit of a winner here. If you built the kit, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you've seen any builds, again, give me a shout and go and have a look. But it looks to be a fantastic kit. So quite excited to get to this one in the near future. So it might not be too long before you see it. Because as I say, I've always been a bit of a fan of the Hurricane. Going back to when I was a child, I had a Corgi model of one. And I always loved playing with it till it literally fell to bits on me. So yeah, it's always got a bit of a soft spot for this aircraft. So yeah, looks like a great kit, and hopefully it make a nice build. Like I say, if you've built it, you've got it in the stash, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, maybe do a group build going forward later on at some point in the year. So there we go. As always, let's get early access on those videos. You come with Patreon in the link down below. You can get up to 3 months early access on the videos. You get an exclusive Saturday bench update every week just for patrons. You get added to a Facebook supporter chat group, which is a messenger group on Facebook if you want, and an actual group on Facebook. Applicable tiers also get 10% off of Pro Scale paints as well. And there's other perks to being a patron, which are all listed in the separate tiers. Start off at £3.50. You can become a patron. You can cancel whenever you want. Come and have a look. If it's not for you, cancel it. And you want to keep supporting, it's people like my supporters, your name's going to flash at the end of this video, who keep allowing me to make these videos as my day-to-day job. So there we go. I hope you like their unboxing. I will catch you all next time. Catch you all later. Take care. Bye-bye.